Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to turn on Bluetooth inside Windows. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, head over to your search bar on your Windows PC and type in CMD and then right click command prompt and run as administrator and then click on yes, and then from here you want to type in GP update and then hit enter, and now it's updating the policy. Once that is done, you can now close it and now head back into the search and type in, now you want to type in services app. Now click into services app, and then from here you want to right click a Bluetooth support service and then click into properties, and then make sure you're on the general tab, and then from here where it says startup type, switch it to automatic and then click on apply and then OK. Once that is done, click out of that and then go back to search and type in device manager, and then where it says Bluetooth, expand that, and then where it says Bluetooth device, right click that and update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Click on search automatically for drivers, and for my situation it says the best drivers for your device that are already installed. That might be the case for you guys, or if not, it will update to the latest drivers. So anything with Bluetooth here, just right click and click on update driver. So go ahead and do that, which I've done. Once you've done that, click out of that device manager, and now you want to go back to search and go into settings. Click into settings up, then you want to click onto network and internet, and then where it says flight mode, airplane mode, click into that. Make sure your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled here. Once that is done, close out of that and then head back to search. Then you want to type in Bluetooth and other device settings. So you want to click into Bluetooth and other device settings, and then from here you want to make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Once that is done, click out and then simply restart your PC, and then your Bluetooth should be turned on. And that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found this video was helpful.